the Kepler Spacecraft. That actually looks like it's wood. It's designed to survey a portion of our region of the Milky Way in order to discover Earth-sized exoplanets in or near habitable zones and estimate how many of the billions of stars in the Milky Way have such planets. It does not come with a stand. Unfortunately, I wish it did, because it's kind of awkward being like this, in my opinion. But here's the model. Got lots of details here. Little components on here. Get some very nice images on here. Okay, thank you.